Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Tackle. Tackle means equipment required for task or sport. For example, fishing tackle. Fishing tackle. Synonyms: gear, equipment, apparatus.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Was it true that there were fishing tackle not used? Now, repeat after me. Was it true that there were fishing tackle not used? The second exemplar. The other way to utilize your light tackle is fishing from your dinghy. Now, repeat after me. The other way to utilize your light tackle is fishing from your dinghy. The third exemplar. A shortage of cutting tools and tackle seem to be holding them up. Now, repeat after me. A shortage of cutting tools and tackle seem to be holding them up.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Oxyphenbutazone is the highest scoring word in a game of Scrabble. Although, it's only hypothetical and hasn't been played ever. But hey, maybe you'll be the first one to use it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.